Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing the iPhone SE 2020. This is in product red. This is the brand new one. This one works on T-Mobile. So there we go, product red. They even give you some stickers, that's kind of cool. Now it doesn't come with a clear case, but I applied a clear case to the phone. So there's the one camera right there. This is optically image stabilized, OIS. There is a quad LED flash right there. It's two-tone, but there's 4 LEDs in there for even brighter flash. Here's the lightning port down here. This phone offers the fast charging, so if you have an 18-watt charger, it will fast charge. It also has wireless charging. This is the 5-volt, 1 amp Apple charger. So this will slowly charge your iPhone. You definitely want to upgrade from this. You have some wired headphones right here. They look wireless, but they're wired. The wires are hidden in the box right there. So you want to upgrade to some wireless headphones. But it's nice that they include them at least. And then here is the Lightning and USB-A cable for charging and data sync. Most of us data sync over iCloud now, so you really only use this cable for charging, but it's nice to have an extra one. And there it is. It's the iPhone SE 2020. This has eSIM and it also has regular SIM, so you can have 2 numbers on here. And like I said earlier, it's wireless charging, 7.5 watt wireless charging, so that's a little bit less than most other manufacturers offer for their wireless charging. They usually have 10 or even more from that. So here we are. It's a Touch ID situation, not a Face ID. So if you like Touch ID, you have that. It's a solid touch system there. This is running iOS 13.5.1. This is Chris Roshnot 24K on Twitter, and we've just shown you an unboxing of the iPhone SE 2020. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. You can also find me 24K on Instagram.